Today at Audio City USA, we're playing Would You Rather. Now, viewer discretion is advised. Some of these topics in this video are a bit gnarly, they're a bit full on. So stay tuned at your own risk. Let's go. Now, before we get started, we put out videos like this every single week. So please like, subscribe, and stay tuned because you don't want to miss it. And especially today's episode because we're playing Would You Rather. And we've come up with some pretty nasty challenges. So without further ado, let's go. I have one that's going to kick it off and set the mood for the rest of the video. Would you rather intentionally curb your wheels every time you park for a week, intentionally rash them up, or squeeze lime juice in your eyes every morning? Which one are you picking?
Bro, the curb is just gonna like hurt my soul.
It depends what wheels. Which one? The Tundra or the old, my C10?
C10.
That chrome lip.
You know what? I'm gonna curb my wheels every day.
You would curb your wheels every day for a week.
How many days do I gotta put lime juice in my eyes?
7 days. Every day, every morning.
Fuck no, bro.
Wake up,
do that.
lime juice.
I'll just order. By the time I'm done, I'll just order another wheel.
So you do the wheels. What would you do?
Dude, there's got to be lasting effects if you put lime juice in your eye. I have to go with the wheels, bro.
Yeah, what if you have permanent damage to your fucking eye?
I'd probably have to do the wheels. I'm not gonna lie.
The wheels, dude. No one's doing that.
No one's putting lime juice in that. I did it one time. It was horrible.
Why? You're Steve-O.
you
You're
do that?
Steve-O. You're an idiot.
Have you guys got?
You're fucking dumb.
Okay.
Maybe.
All right. Well, I'll go next.
Go on.
Mine's a little more mellow. All right.
We don't want mellow, bro.
Well, I'll start it off chill. All right.
What do we got?
Are you gonna be that guy who drives the Tesla to the classic car meet?
Okay.
Or you have to drive naked except for flip-flops and you get pulled over every day for a week?
I'd take the Tesla to the car meet. I hate him, but I would do it.
Okay, drive naked, and then what?
And get pulled
In flip-flops and then get pulled over.
Can I cover him?
No.
No, bro.
You gotta show it off.
I'll be the asshole at the Tesla at the classic.
Would you
American.
drive naked? Is that what you would prefer?
I don't know.
I drive the Tesla, bro.
I'd take the Tesla.
It's not that bad. You show up, they just think you're an asshole in life. That's it. Go on with
Move
your life.
on.
Yeah.
All right. Have you got one for us?
I do. You drive a 96 Miata, pink one,
Yes.
with anime stickers,
Oh no.
Okay.
and it has a like a penis dildo, like a
Shifter?
dildo, on the shifter.
Wait, can you
pink?
please define what kind of dildo we get?
Go on.
Okay.
Quick, bro. Don't.
penis
The
dildo?
shifter's it's tall, bro.
It's a tall shifter.
Okay.
Is it
Make sure-
vascular?
Okay.
Is it? So no, go quickly. It's a pink Miata with a dildo shifter,
The heritage pink wheels.
heritage pink wheels, and anime stickers. Drive that for how long?
You're gonna drive for a whole week.
Or what's the alternative?
Or they pay you. So it's not like I'm just gonna do. You do this. It's either yes or no.
Okay. So
So you get $5,000
to do it,
to do it.
I would do that for sure.
Would you?
I would do it. I would
yes or no?
100%.
A week?
Would you? But
5,000
For
bucks?
1 week?
The shifter's so tall, you can see it from the outside.
Great. It can go through the sunroof.
I don't care, bro.
That's cool.
If they want to pay me $5K to drive it for a week, I would.
I'll do it.
You wouldn't? You wouldn't. $5,000. You wouldn't pull up to Audio City USA in a pink Miata with a dildo shifter.
Well, I don't know. His kid's gonna see him and be like, Dad, what are you shifting with?
You're so ass.
Yes or no, Anthony? Quick, we gotta keep
You know,
this video
5K is
moving.
pretty good. I would.
You would, hey! You would.
Good amount. Let's do it.
You would. All right, I got another one for you. Would you rather Scion XB on wire wheels?
Okay.
Yes.
I haven't finished.
What size are they?
I want him.
10-inch. Tiny.
No, they're like a 13.
13.
Okay.
13-inch wire wheels, Scion XB. You drive that every day for a month, right? It is also covered in anime stickers. It has one of those little hearts that hang down from the rear. It's cambered,
Okay.
Of course.
right? You drive around in that, or every morning you wake up, you have to sniff a line of Tabasco for a week.
Dude, 100%.
You take the Scion?
Yeah.
What the?
So
Any
just like
day, bro. I want
line
one
of
those.
Tabasco.
I would drive the Scion, bro.
You drive the
Give me
Scion.
the Scion,
I am
man.
not sniffing out Tabasco sauce, bro.
Let me guess. You've done that too.
I have.
You've
it's
done the
terrible.
Tabasco?
I've
You
just
used
You're crazy,
Tabasco?
bro.
one time.
Who are
Oh,
you?
you know what? It must.
fuck is wrong
It must.
with
It must. It must be an Australian thing.
Maybe, but
Australian.
I'd drive the Scion. What else have you got for us?
Okay. My next one. All right, so you got to either drive manual in LA every single day, traffic,
Oh, that's horrible.
Okay.
That's
or you have
horrible.
to have your wife drop you off everywhere for a month.
I'm taking the manual.
Including when you're cheating.
Everywhere. You're going anywhere, she's driving.
I don't mind the manual shift.
I would drive
That's
the
not-
manual.
that's
It's
not bad.
horrible though. Don't get me wrong.
Yeah, but it's all right.
It's terrible.
Yeah, I drive the manual
I'd take
shift.
the
I don't care.
manual.
It's stuck in traffic 2 hours, whatever.
What would you do? Have you got another one for us?
Oh yeah, I do. We got one more. So you have to call your girlfriends. Both of you have girlfriends, and tell her you're done with her. You don't like her anymore.
I like my girlfriend.
You're basic. Okay. Or wear a skirt for a whole week.
No.
No,
Like a
wear-
mini skirt.
I'll wear the mini skirt.
Can
bro,
I
fuck it.
can I tell her that I was joking 5 minutes
Nope.
later?
No.
Nope.
No. Oh, I just have to literally
Like,
break up.
you wear a little mini skirt for a whole week, or you tell your girlfriend, "I'm done. I don't want to
Bro,
be with
she
you."
would tell me she's done if I wore the mini skirt.
Yeah, that's a tough one. It's either get broken up with or break
Oh,
up.
I
with
don't
her.
care. You gotta wear the mini
my
skirt.
I'd wear the mini skirt, bro. Fuck it.
Are you kidding me?
I would do it.
Oh,
I like
I mean-
I like
Hey,
my
you heard-
girlfriend.
Rick, you're Andy. He's gonna wear a mini
What-
skirt.
the
so
mini
what would you
skirt?
do? Would you call your wife and say, "I know we've had a lovely marriage,
But why
but
are you
I'm
asking?
done"?
I'm asking the question.
Yeah, but how would you answer
Asking
it?
the
How would you
question.
answer?
I'd wear the fucking mini skirt.
So would I.
All right, I guess I have to.
I don't
Exactly.
care. I'll show off my hairy legs. I don't care.
All right, fully expecting this tomorrow.
Oh yes. All right, another one for you guys. Would you rather eat an onion like it's an apple every day for a month? Just bite into it with everyone watching. Just eat and cry. Eat the onion apple, or
Need an apple.
drive a lifted truck that has the worst modifications you can imagine. Like just terrible.
Like a bunch of AutoZone.
AutoZone
Scoop.
special, like
Flames.
lifted truck, but like lifted like South Central.
Squatted.
all
Squatted.
squatted, where you need cameras in the front.
So it's just way higher at the front, super low at the back. Terrible AutoZone shark fins, scoop, like skull pedals, everything.
Chrome panels.
Yeah. Or every day for a month, eat an onion like it's an apple.
For a month.
I would eat the onion.
I'd eat the onion.
Bro.
Would you drive the AutoZone special shitbox for a week?
Is that the only car I can drive?
Oh yeah, that's it.
Well,
go
you can't.
everywhere.
You can't drive the Carolina here in California.
Well, it doesn't matter.
They call
Hypothetically,
it the squatted. You can't do it here.
hypothetically, yes or no? You'd eat
No,
the
I
onion.
don't want to get pulled over.
So you'd eat the
In
onion.
California, you get
what
pulled
would
over.
you do? Did you drive it?
If it was legal, I would take the truck.
You would drive the.
Give me the truck.
But we're in
Wow.
California, but you'll get.
Who cares, bro? I'm talking hypothetical.
If I was
I
in
would
North
still
Cal-
eat the damn
Carolina-
onion.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, no, I would take the truck.
I'm not gonna risk
That's
myself
nasty, bro.
crashing just to be.
Crashing.
You know, like-
you can't even see the road. You like see the horizon.
Oh, and it's playing the worst music you've ever heard in your life on full volume as while you're driving it. You'd still drive. You're crazy.
I'd take it. I'll take it.
No,
Crazy.
Forget
No.
the onion.
I'm eating the onion.
Right. What else you got, G?
All right, so picture this. It's
Oh,
a
no.
hot summer day, no AC, windows up. You fart in your car,
Oh.
and you've got to drive like that. Pick up your date, and that's like how it is. Or you got to jump your car every single time you start it for the rest of your life.
I would fucking fart.
I'm taking the fart.
I'm fucking farting, and I'm gonna pick up my
I mean,
girl.
dude, hot summer
I don't
day.
give a
Like, it's
shit. Like,
120 degrees in there.
like ball sweating everything, right?
Windows closed, no AC.
I don't give a shit.
Turn that
fucking-
heat on,
I'm a
bro.
fart. I don't give a shit what I ate the next day. I'm gonna smell that fucking truck or car, and I'm gonna pick her up. And she don't like it. I'm gonna say, "Hey, baby, I don't care. Get out of the car if you don't like it."
Wow.
If you don't like it, what if she does like it?
Then it's a win-win.
You better marry her.
We could
Oh,
both
that's
sniff that fart.
Nasty, bro.
Cannot.
Oh wait, this is what we do for a living. like Jenny, like I'm at work right now. Just gotta remind us that.
I think I'd take the fart too.
Bro, I didn't even know
Yeah,
what was
I
the what was the other
Or
alternative
have to
again?
jump
Oh
your car every single time you start it for the rest of your life.
Bro.
no! Why would anybody
Why would you
choose
pick
that?
that? What would you pick?
I would take the fart too, bro.
Exactly.
Oh, that's nasty.
That's bad.
Disgusting.
Oh,
You got another one?
I can think of one.
Go.
Do you have any more?
It's 32 girls.
Okay. Well, no, I
They're
don't
too
mind.
gross.
I don't mind. Would you rather go through the James Bond torture scene where you're sitting in a wicker chair and you get your nuts beaten with a whip?
The bottom of the wicker
What
chair
the
is
hell?
The
gone.
bottom of the chair is gone. Or every single time you drive your car, it breaks down for 2 years.
Okay, what was the, I was so stuck on what you just said with the James Bond. What was the other one?
Bro.
Or what? Or what?
Or every time you drive your car for the next 2 years, every single time it'll break down.
So you have an
I would-
undrivable car,
Yes.
or you gotta get tortured.
Which one? The torturing
Well,
is
I
only
mean-
twice.
What do you mean
Only
twice?
Well, you have to go through it twice.
Oh my
Like
gosh.
how long?
Yeah, how long?
Like 5 minutes.
Are they cutting you, or is it just getting like slapped like
It's just
that?
getting whipped.
You're getting whipped.
I just want to say for the record, I have no idea where these guys are coming up with these twisted ideas.
Go away, Rick. I need them
You
to
are
answer the
terrible.
question. Answer the question.
–
Your car breaks down or you're getting tortured?
For 5 minutes twice.
Yes.
Bro, I got places to go, so I'm gonna get tortured for 5
You
minutes.
guys would take the
Twice.
2
torture.
years of a non-working car.
Bro, you can't live like that in
Is it a
California.
new part every time?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's something really annoying, like it's one hose clamp or something.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Okay, I got
There's
one for
no
you guys.
answer to
Alright.
this question.
I got one for you guys. So, you gotta shave your eyebrows off.
Oh, that's a good one.
No, shave your eyebrows. Shave your hair, completely, your head, everything,
Completely smooth.
and then your eyelashes, everything.
What?
or
It's cool.
Or you have like some big gash cut, right? And you put a bunch of salt and you put a bunch of like lime
how
on
does this
there.
have anything to do with cars?
We're just
I'm taking the salt.
all the shit you said too didn't think about cars either.
Either way, all right.
So either you shave your eyebrows, your eyelashes, your hair, everything. Everything just bald, right?
Yeah.
Or you have a big open wound and you pour lime and salt on top of it for a whole week.
I'd go bald. Completely.
I think
I'd take the bald.
Me too. I'm going bald, bro. I can feel that pain right now on my arm. That hurts,
That's
bro.
terrible, bro.
That's
you guys don't
nothing,
have the
Rick
Italian mother
says.
putting hydrogen peroxide on you 24/7.
I'd go bald.
I've
All right,
been
now
there.
let's finish this with one more. It's going to be car related. I promise we're not going to do any more BS. So I hope you've enjoyed the video so far. But finally, you have to drive around with a set of wheels that are cracked,
Okay.
right? A completely cracked up set of wheels. They're scratched up, they're banged up, they're mostly deflated.
So they're leaking air.
They're leaking
there,
air.
yeah.
They're just completely clapped, right? You have to drive
Okay.
around like that. Or you have to drive around a car that has different wheels. Like they're all mismatched. Each wheel is different on
Dude.
each corner.
Give me mismatched wheels.
mix-
I'm
Well,
trying to drive my
that's-
car.
That's a no-brainer, bro.
Oh my
Give me the mixed match wheels.
You would take the mid.
That's really bad.
Yeah, that's so stupid. You know what you know what you could have said is the other one. What should have been, your tires have balls everywhere.
Oh.
So like your ride is like shit.
Right. Alrighty, guys. That's about it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this ridiculousness. We'll be back to regularly scheduled videos soon, I promise, but this was a little break, a little bit of fun. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know what you thought of Would You Rather in the comments below. Let us know what you would choose. If you guys do need help with wheels, tires, suspension, or anything like that, please give us a call on this number or go to AudioCityUSA.com, where our experts have been in the game for over 35 years and they can help you out with your wheel fitment. My name's Andy,
I'm Gio.
I'm Anthony.
and we'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.